How do you integrate a massive automated warehouse and make sure it runs flawlessly from day one? Recently in Germany, Epcido took on the challenge of installing a state-of-the-art intralogistics system. 6 kilometers of sorting conveyors, 163,000 totes capacity, 15,000 totes per hour throughput. Our mechanical and electrical teams integrated this entire setup directly with the facility's loading, packing, and sorting zones. It required serious precision. We had to align conveyor lines 6 meters in the air under tight space constraints, while managing highly complex cable routing and sensor integration across 4 distinct zones. Thanks to seamless coordination, we delivered millimeter precision on schedule. Reliable automation built right. That's Epcido.